There's a lovely simplicity to an iced latte, which is why it's such a refreshing option on a steaming hot day. Let's get into it. Most iced lattes in cafes are served in a tall glass, so get your hands on one of these if you can. This one is just under 9 fluid ounces or 250 ml. You'll need 6 fluid ounces or 180 ml of cold milk and a handful of ice cubes. Pour the milk into the glass and drop the ice cubes in. Next, pour freshly roasted beans into the hopper and grind between 18 to 22 grams into the portafilter. Feel free to use a scale if you want to be more precise. Give the portafilter a few gentle taps like this to settle the grounds before tamping on a nice level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure each time and to visually check the tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Place the portafilter firmly into the group head, then extract a double espresso into a small jug or glass. As this is a double shot, I'm looking for an extraction time around 30 seconds. What we're looking for is a flow that looks like warm honey and a crema topping a pure black coffee. All that's left to do is pour the hot espresso over the milk and ice and give it a swirl to blend it together. Enjoy.